Nintendo reaffirmed that the Zelda Ocarina of Time remake release date is still scheduled for 2026. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Although Nintendo's been pretty tight-lipped about the Zelda Ocarina of Time remake, the publisher recently confirmed that it will be delayed out of 2026. Nintendo made the brief update after publishing its yearly financial report to investors. In a presentation that outlined the Nintendo Switch 2 first-party lineup for 2026, the Zelda Ocarina of Time remake was listed under late 2026. It's also unlikely to get delayed at this point if Nintendo told investors it's coming this year. The question still on most players' minds is when? With only 5 months left this year, it's interesting that Nintendo has chosen to remain secretive about the game. However, based on recent leaks, we could get a Zelda Ocarina of Time remake release date announcement soon because it was recently rated by the ESRB. However, another rumor in July also claimed the Zelda remake was eyeing a November 11th release date, which is just a week before GTA 6 arrives on November 19th. The theory originated on Reddit after users spotted November listings for 2 upcoming Kirby Air Rider amiibo sets. Nintendo's previously released new amiibo alongside major first-party games, while its November 2026 calendar currently lacks any announced exclusive. The November theory could easily fall apart once Nintendo announces its holiday schedule. An amiibo date is hardly confirmation of a Zelda launch. Still, if publishers are going to spend November tiptoeing around GTA 6, there are a few games that Nintendo could confidently drop a week earlier, and Ocarina of Time is one of them. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.